Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14 Pro and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the About phone, so go to the very top. Now let's localize OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again and enter developer options. And here, scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. In my case, this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher and from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.